You're watching CycleCruza's all-in-one sport bike channel. Subscribe today.
Hey guys, I just got the Sony HDR-AS100V camera the other day, and I'm doing some testing here, and I just want to give you an update. I really like this camera so far. One real cool pro to this camera is that it has a splash-proof body, so you don't have to put it in the case. So you can mount it with the power grip pedal tail on the side of your helmet, like I showed you in a previous video that I did. And that way you don't have to worry about water getting in the camera, and it looks more stealth. Really, this is probably one of the smallest cameras and one of the most stealthiest cameras for motovlogging, in my opinion. I've had the Drift Ghost, and this camera is smaller, much smaller than the Drift Ghost. And another thing that's really cool about this camera, right now I'm running it in 720 by 120 frames per second, high speed, so that if I want to stop this video, it'll actually be really smooth and very clear. So at least that's what it's supposed to look like. So we'll test it in this video. I'll slow it down and we'll see how clear it is. The white color, it blends it with my white helmet. By the way, I did take off the plastic dip off of my helmet because I had to mount my older Sony Action camera on the other side of my helmet, which I have that pointed backwards facing the road in back of me. I'm going to use that as a black box camera, and I hope to transition to this new Sony Action camera so that I'm going to do motovlogging and also use it as a black box camera for the front view of the road. And just every about every 2 hours, I'll just switch the battery out. The newer camera, I think, runs up to 3 hours, and the old one runs about 2 hours. So as you guys see, I'm riding in rain, something I normally don't do or recommend, but I really wanted to get out of here and test this video. But I'm riding in the park where the traffic is very low, speed limit's 30 miles an hour, so it's not a big concern. I just have to worry about a tree branch falling on me, or a deer running out and setting me up for a real fucked up day. Hopefully not. Also be able to test the low light performance on this camera, because it's getting dark. I better head back, man. They say it's supposed to be a pretty big storm coming through. But as you guys know, I'm not a pussy, man. I'll ride in rain. Like I said, though, I don't do it on the regular because that's going to increase your risk. But I'm getting nailed by the rain right now. I better head back. But anyways, just want to give you an update with this new camera. I tested it with my flexible mic that I use on my GoPro Hero 2, and I couldn't get it to work for some odd reason. I used an extension cable, and the extension cable doesn't work with the flexible mic, but it works with works with the GoPro Hero, so it doesn't make sense. But either way, it doesn't work. So now I'm trying it with that Sony stereo mic that I had before. See what it sounds like. And I have a couple other mics that are coming in that I'll be testing out, and I'll update you in future videos with that. But so far I haven't had any problems with this camera. Connected up with my smartphone with no problems. I can control it with my smartphone. And shit! I gotta get out of here, man. I'm the only fool out here riding a bike. And get my ass back home, man. But yeah, guys. Shit. What a fool, man. But I did take this camera to to a local twisty road that I wanted to showcase for you guys. Want you guys to check it out, because I know a lot of you guys say that you know, we don't have any twisties up here in Northeast Ohio. We do have a couple of little roads, nothing big time like Tail of the Dragon or anything like that, or what you guys have in North Carolina. But I used the new Sony Action camera. Man, it's smooth as butter. That's what I love about this Sony Action camera, is that the stabilization on it is fantastic. It's even better than the older Sony Action camera. And I'll be showing you that in this video with some test clips so you can see what it looks like. But look forward to that future video of me showcasing this new twisty road. Not a new road that I found. I've been riding it for a while, but I've never really showed it to you in its entirety. And I'm not going to be doing some street Rossi shit on it either. I'm just cruising on it and just show you guys what we have here. It's a nice little road, nice little scenic road with some twisties, some couple of sharp turns, nice sweeping turns. But yeah, so far so good with this Sony Action camera, except for the sound. Once I get that dialed in, I think it'll be awesome. And hopefully we can transition to this new camera from my motovlogging. That way I have to carry this big ass box on my chin bar of my helmet. But hey guys, as a tip, in heavy torrential rain like this, take these corners with ease, baby. I learned the hard way when I went around that corner on that scooter. I'm doing what, 21. I think I was doing about 30 going around that turn. And it happened so fast, man. That back tire slid, bam! Just body slammed your ass on the ground. So, be careful out there, guys. So, that's all, folks. So, until next time, I'll catch you guys later. Deuces! So, that's all, folks. So, until next time, I'll catch you guys later. Deuces!
And it's time for CycleCruza's recommended videos.
Links are in the info section of this video. If you get a chance, check out my Sony Action Camera vs GoPro Hero 2 review. And you'll see me do my 0 to 60 on my HDR-AS100V MotoVlog. Yeah! You ever thought about getting a drift ghost camera? Well, hey, you might want to check out my full review, and I mean full review on this camera, and I'll take you for a ride. Are you looking for something that's better than Velcro to mount stuff on your bike and your helmet? Well, check out my review on the Power Grip pedal tape. Hey, are you tired of your action camera flying off your helmet and you losing it forever? All that money down the drain? Well, hey, CycleCruza's got the solution. Check out my How to Make a Helmet Cam Leash video. So you want to be a motovlogger? You might want to check out my How to MotoVlog video, and I'll show you all the ins and outs of motovlogging. Even help you save some money. Yeah! Before you do a video request, you might want to check out my website at CycleCruza.com and check out my video library and playlists. You may find the video that you're looking for. Just click on the My Videos tab. If you get a chance, like me at Facebook.com/CycleCruza1 for new updates and to browse my video library. Hey, I'm on Instagram now, so if you get a chance, follow me at Instagram.com/CycleCruza. Yeah! Your CycleCruza sport bike themed apparel at CycleCruza.com.
CycleCruza.com.
If you get a chance, check out my other channel, CycleCruza MotoVlogs, where I discuss anything and everything, not just motorcycle shit.